Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to tell you and discuss about iOS 18.1. So hurry up. First, do immediately after you update iOS 18.1 beta in your iPhone device. So I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start. Firstly, open your settings and make sure that you have to update iOS 18.1 in your iPhone device. So tap on General and tap on Software Update. Check for update. So you can see here iOS 18.1 is updated. So go back. So friends, after you check, you have iOS 18.1 beta updated. So tap on App Store. So friends, after update iOS 18.1, then your iPhone device and your applications are slow and freeze. So how we can fix it? So tap on ID. So friends, you can see here our apps needs to update. So firstly, update all the apps. And go back. And next step is scroll down your control center. So you can see here many options in control center. You can edit and customize your control center by holding and click on screen. You can see here now edit option is open. So you can easily manage your control center and customize your control center and tap on add a control. So you can edit and add many options from this list. So suppose that I want to timer and alarm, then tap on. You can see here alarm is added. So go back. So open your settings and scroll down. You can see here control center. Tap on control center. So friends, you can see here new option after update iOS 18.1 reset control center. You can easily reset control center from here. So friends, after you update iOS 18.1 beta, then you can easily reset your control center by one click. This will reset your control center layout to factory defaults. So friends, if you want to reset your control center customization, then click on here and reset your control center and also access with apps. So allow access to control center with apps. When disabled, you can still access control center from the home screen. So tap on toggle and turn it on if your toggle is off. So go back. So friends, after you update all the apps that needed iOS 18.1, then your iPhone fix the bugs and freezing problem of your iPhone device. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to customize your control center and reset control center and also update all the apps to solve the freezing problem of your iPhone device and many more. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.